Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just came back from my vacation last weekend and I've been working a week now. It was such an amazing trip and I made a lot of interesting videos during the trip. I'm trying to cut it into a travel vlog. Hopefully I can finish it anytime soon so that I can share with all of you. I know I promised to make a video about Designlab Foundation Unit 4 and Unit 5 before I went on my vacation, but I ended up being stuck on the last project before I went on my vacation, so I didn't got to make this video. So here I am, I'm making the video right now, and also I'm going to talk about the project I was stuck on. Okay, so let's dig in. Let's start with Unit 4. Unit 4 focuses on design evaluation and critique. Basically, we learn how to provide feedback to other designers and how to take feedback from other designers. It sounds really simple, but it's kind of tricky when you want to give feedback to other designers without making the other person feel they're being judged or being attacked. There are 6 projects in this unit. The first project is to evaluate a landing page of a website following the criteria we learned in this unit when we try to evaluate someone's design. The second project is to pretend to write an email to a designer to provide your feedback on her web design. Let's say not that perfect. So the tricky part is how do you convey your feedback in a constructive way and without making her feel you're trying to judge her or attack her. The third project is a UI exercise. In this project, we were required to reproduce a multi-step form of Apple's checkout page. And the fourth project is a reflection essay on your process of creating the reproduction of the Apple checkout page. The fifth project is to create a multi-step form for an online banking platform targeting young people. And this is the form I created right here. Finally, the last project in this unit is to provide feedback to another Designlab student on his or her multi-step form design. In this project, we got to practice providing constructive feedback to another designer in real life. Now let's come to Unit 5. Unit 5 focuses on designing for multiple devices. I personally find Unit 5 to be the most challenging unit in the whole Designlab Foundation course because it pretty much summarizes all the knowledges and the skills we learned in all the previous units. There are 4 projects in Unit 5. The first project is to explore the breakpoint of different websites. In this project, we were required to summarize the breakpoint of 3 different websites and to see how they handle their layout across different platforms, including websites, tablets, and phone, to make their design responsive across different platforms. The second project is a UI exercise where we were supposed to reproduce a responsive design of a website homepage. And the third project is to write a reflection essay on the challenges and what we learned from doing the second project. Finally, the last project in Unit 5 is to design your own responsive homepage for a product called Typewriter. Typewriter is supposed to be a product between a real typewriter and a computer. It helps the writer to focus on their writing task without being distracted by other functions of a computer, for example, using social media and browsing other websites. Now, this is the task I was stuck on. Designlab only provided very minimal information. We only have a logo, a word mark, and a few sentences of text to work with. Since this product is basically only a concept, I find it very hard to imagine what the actual product will be like. So my first work is not very successful, and it looks like this. After talking with my mentor, we both agree on that I should iterate on this design. Based on my mentor's suggestion, I added more details other than the information provided by Designlab, and my second version looks much better like this. Although this project is a little bit challenging for me, but I appreciate the open-ended question. It really gives us more space to be creative and utilize the knowledge skills we learned before to tackle a real question. And that concludes my experience for Designlab Foundation Unit 4 and Unit 5. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully my travel vlog will come out soon. I will see you in my next video. Bye!